So, hi guys, this is a lecture I always wait for, the introduction lecture when I introduce 2CK and then the goodbye lecture. और आज अगर 200 लोग ऑनलाइन आ गया तो मतलब आज अपना सक्सेसफुल हो गया. तो so finally it's a goodbye time to say goodbye, but we will be staying in connect. So if you have not yet added me, add me on Instagram. So my ID is Rav Singh CK on Instagram. Just add me. So there's no goodbye. Obviously, we will be in touch after this as well. So of course, हम लोग कहीं जाने नहीं वाले. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ भैया. वो टेंशन मत लो तुम. We are going to be together till the very end. कॉलेज में जाने के बाद भी. But yeah, this one exam called CAT is coming to end. So before I start with my part, I want to understand your point of view, what you want to do. Today, what should be the main agenda? One, obviously, is the important topics. Important topic cutoff. Here, so by default is always the thing. Revise how to revise all these things we'll talk about. I'll focus on CAT here. I don't want to talk about the non-CAT exam. Someone said how to prepare for CET. अभी वो बात नहीं करेंगे. कट ऑफ की बात करेंगे. How to clear the cut off, number of question answer, we'll do that as well. और क्या आपको एजेंडा है? How to approach each section. Yes, the D-Day approach. This is my main plan today. The D-Day approach. How many mocks to give? We'll talk about that as well. G strategy, yaar, मैं एक Veshu, I can't give you G strategy in 1 minute. Yes, but we can talk about where to use G strategy. How to reduce stress during the exam. Okay, we'll talk about all these things. Category wise, we'll take up as well. Okay. How not to freak out. Yeah, that's a good point. How not to freak out during the exam. Okay, so let's start with the first part. Let's start the first part. Let's try to imagine what will happen on the D-Day. So today is the D-Day strategy. Today is 29th of November. So you are sitting for the CAT exam and we look at what will happen to you on that day. Okay. And while doing this, we'll kind of a backtrack. So that's the first thing which I want to pick up today. So जैसे paper start होगा, the first section you have to do is verbal. So verbal section start हुआ. You can see RC. The first RC is a social based RC with 5 questions. Then we have a RC, another RC which is business based, 5 questions. Then we have parajumble, 4 questions, para completion, 4 questions, another RC on science, and one more RC on history. And then we have para summary, another 3 questions. Okay, so this is your CAT ka paper. So I'm keeping the number of questions as 30. I try to think about that. Odd man out bhi aa sakta hai, para summary, can be any topic. Out of these 4 topics, 3 topics will be there. Para jumble, para completion, odd man out, ya para summary. Out of them, 3 topics will be there. Okay, so the best bet which I can assume is assume the number of questions 30. Now 30 become 25 is not a big deal. 30 become 34 is not a big deal. So 30 is a safe number to assume. So let's assume the number of questions are going to be 30. According to that, you can play. Now, the main problem which I feel, what is the problem which you feel can come in the verbal section? I think picking up the wrong RC, your goal. Suppose this is a very boring RC and you start with that RC only. Your confidence will go for a toss. And especially people who hate verbal. Anyone here who hate English verbal per se, not English, but verbal per se. I hate it. I hated this the most. Sabse ghatiya section is verbal for me. Yeah, I'm not talking the marks नहीं आते. I'm talking about boring यार. 1 घंटा बैठ के ये करना होता था. That used to be the boring part. Yeah. So what I recommend to do in the verbal section is let's divide the verbal into parts. Yeah. Rather than feeling sad for the next 40 minutes, complete 40 if you're feeling sad. In every year in the RC section, there are a couple of RC which are easy to read. Yeah. Let's divide verbal into 3 parts. RC which are easy to read. I'm not saying question is easy or tough. Question can be very tough, but at least some समझ तो आ रहा है. Easy to read. iPhone का topic आ गया. Any topic which is you are easy to understand. Of course, out of 4 RCs, there will be 2 RCs which you can easily pick up. Yeah, easy to understand. So I'll start with that. So what I recommend is 20 minutes I'm keeping for the RC which are easy to read. Fine. How many RC you can attempt? I think a decent guy can attempt around 3 RCs in the time frame we have. टाइम तो नहीं है यार, प्रॉब्लम तो अपना सबसे बड़ा है टाइमर का इशू. We don't have time only. In 40 minutes ka time, a normal person can pick up 2 to 3 RCs. 3 is a good number. Yeah, if you're from the reserved category, 2 is also enough, but normally 3 RCs you can touch upon. Okay, so that can be 25, 30, and then verbal ke question. Yeah, this part I'm easy at. This part I'm okay at. The only topic which I hate, the RC, which are very tough to read. So I can avoid that part. Yeah, the 10 minutes for each RC. Yes, you can keep that 10 minutes for each RC. So 20 minutes for good RCs, 10 minutes, 12 minutes at all timer you have to decide, 10 to 12 for the verbal question. And one more RC I can try sad part. Accuracy can be 70%. Indian accuracy is 70%. In verbal section, for an Indian student, a normal accuracy is around 70%. For a good student, it can be 80 also. For a bad, it can be 60 also, but average 7 ja raha hai. So the first thing I want from you is how much time you take per RC. Note, keep a note on the side. How much time you're taking per RC? 10 minute, 12 minute, 8 minute. ये फाइनल करना अभी. भाई अभी कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए बाकी नहीं है. 10 minutes, 12 minutes, totally your wish. Finalize the timer. So this is a mota timer. Now on the exam day, the question can become easy. Time taken can be more, or question become tough. The time taken can be less. That will change according to the question. So 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, that is you finalize one thing. And second, for the verbal section, how many questions you going to attempt? Are you going to attempt all 10 questions, all non-RC question, or few non-RC question? This decision you have to take. I'm going to be adaptable. On the exam day, depending on the situation, I can adapt. But I want that in my mind. Like all theta to karna hai, of course. All the theta question I have to solve. Of course. Theta will not affect your percentile. Theta will not affect the percentile at all. So Pawan, don't need to worry about that. See, I was earlier sad for the 40 minutes, but the moment I do this strategy, I'm sad only for the 10 minutes. So this is something you have to try. Try to switch. Isko aage kar diya, isko piche kar diya, all this you try. And from the mocks point of view, the mocks which I recommend, ये मैंने पहले भी एक वीडियो में कहा था, 4, mock number 4, mock number 8, mock number 8 नहीं, sorry, mock number 12, mock number 15, 16, 20. These are the 5 best mocks we have. Yeah, 2 घंटे खेल खत्म. Exactly, Anubhav. You have to feel that way. So these are the 4 mocks. Whatever mock score you have got in these 4 is going to be the ideal exam day. If you already have done any of them, you can move to mock number 17 also. ये 5 mock कर दो. Like Gautam got 84 marks in mock number 4, but वो कब दिया था? If you have given the mocks in last 1 week, superb. So I believe the average of these 5 mocks is going to be your CAT score, because these mocks are not very difficult. These mocks are not very easy also. Azhar gave the mocks today, got 113. So you have to take an average of these 5 mocks. If you can take the average, that will help you understand whether to fill MDI ka form, SPGN ka form, all these things you will understand immediately. So verbal point of view, this is a strategy. Start with the RC, which is easy to read. Yeah, the RC which I don't even understand. How can I even solve the question? Even though it might be question might be very easy. Yes. Ajan, we can do that. We'll look at that. Fine. So easy RC first, then the verbal question, then all the non-verbal question. This is the best strategy you can help, which you can get. And the target score from the verbal section. This is my target score. So this is what it is. So RC, science-based RC, history-based RC, business-based RC, social RC. Typically every year one set. Abhinav, I'll answer that question in 2 minutes. Para completion, para jumble, para summary, या odd man out. तीनों में से एक आएगा. And this is your target score, net score. Depending on your accuracy, you have to find your attempt. Yeah. For the reserved category student, 75 percentile is minimum what you need for an IIM call. Of course, if you want a main IIM, so obviously you score more. And for the open category student, 8. Will the cutoff change? Of course, the cutoff will change here. Obviously, if you give me 25 questions on the exam day, if the number of questions are 25, I have a very less choice to choose from. Yeah. So of course my attempt will go down. Not a drastic difference. I believe 3 to 4 question का फर्क आएगा. Yes, 8 question have to be correct. 8 question have to be correct. That is your target. आपको थोड़ा हाई करना, 10 कर दो. आप 15 करो यार, आप 20 लेके आओ, बिंदास, तुम्हारे ऊपर है. You do 30 by 30 correct. बट औकात अनुसार. वो क्या था यार डायलॉग, नमक स्वाद अनुसार एंड अटेम्प्ट औकात अनुसार. फाइन. अंग्रेज वालों के जो हमारे दोस्त जो अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, सॉल्ट as per taste and number of attempts as per your as per your last 5 mocks. So last 5 mock ka score, whatever is happening, that will act as a benchmark for you. Okay. Attempt, how many attempts? That depends on your accuracy. Yaar. So I believe 20 questions aram se over attempt mat karna. That's my only request to you. Do not over attempt. Verbal mein public marta hai because of over attempt. 20 attempt, 20, what is your attempt? What do you feel is your attempt? I think 15 to 20 is a good attempt depending on accuracy. 15, 20 सब वही जाता है. Abhinav, it's a very, very good score. No problem. No problem. So 24 तक भी है हमारे पास. 22, 23 people can go up to 24 as well. But if your accuracy is going down, ये आप कर सकते हो. In the next couple of mocks, you can do that. Attempt. For example, those who are doing 24, they can try to bring it down to 20 attempts and look at the accuracy. If your accuracy is going up. Verbal में your attempt is not proportion to your accuracy. Attempt ज़्यादा किया score ज़्यादा आएगा ऐसा नहीं होता है. Yeah, you can do that. एक बार try करके देख लो. 20, 22. I think 20 is a very good. 20 is a very good number to touch. Then depend on accuracy. यार वो प्रॉब्लम आता है ना. Someone will come and say me tomorrow after the exam, sir आपने कहा था 20 पे आपकी कॉल आएगा. I did 30 question. तो मैं तो सारे क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग कर गया तो मेरी गलती क्या उसमें? Accuracy 70% is the Indian accuracy. ये आम आदमी है. आम आदमी is 17. Abhi someone is saying I do 13 correct out of 16. Huh, your accuracy is good. But what about aam admi? This is 80% accuracy. 80% is good accuracy. So the accuracy ranges between 60 to 80. Okay. So that's the first section. Verbal section. हाँ, जिसकी 50 है attempt और करना पड़ेगा. या attempt कम कर दो. Both ways. Okay. Now we move to second section. Quant section. So sorry, next is the DLR section. DLR selection. The main problem is going to be the selection of the set. Selection of the set is very, very important. एक गलत हाथ डाला तो तुम गए. एक जगह गलत हाथ डाला तो बेटा गलत जगह हाथ मत डालना. Especially all the boys. गलत जगह हाथ मत डालना. हाथ कटने का डर है. So number of attempts can be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 also. Anyone here with 5 attempts? है कोई Michael Lal who attempt 5? Average एक बार किया था वो नहीं, कभी कभी नहीं. 5 attempts वाला है कोई यहाँ पे? 4. आम आदमी good versus 4. I believe 3 to 4 is good. 5 वाला कोई भी नहीं पता. एक है 5 वाला निकला, एक 5 वाला है यहाँ पे. 4, 3, 4 is a good one. Superman जो 5 वाले अपने आप को बनने की कोशिश करते हैं. So the time we have is 40 minutes. If I do 2 sets, I've got 20 minutes per set, which is a very good time frame to solve the question. If I do 3, I've got 13.3 minutes. If I do 4, I got 10 minutes per set. If I got 5, 8 minutes per set. Yeah. So this is the timer you have. So 3 to 4, you have to decide based on your mock score, whether you are going to attempt 3 or 4 or even 2. I'm fine with 2. 2 करके आओ, लेकिन with accuracy. Okay. Accuracy is more important. Yeah, now come my main part of the day. I want to have this time map. This time map is very important, especially for the DI section. If you're going to attempt 4, like someone said 4. So this means, mota, ideally, first 0 to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I should be on set number 1 here. I should be on set number 2. I should be on set number 3. I should be on set number 4. This is called time mapping. Otherwise, what can happen the exam day? First section, I spend more time. I spent, because I was over enthusiastic, I spent 22 minutes on the first set. होते हैं कभी कभी. There are some engineers लाइक दे टेकन द ईगो, मेरे से सॉल्व कैसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, मैं तो आज तू नहीं तो मैं नहीं। देयर आर पीपल हु लाइक तू नहीं तो आज मैं नहीं, तो बेटा तू ही नहीं होएगा, वो तो रहेगा वहां पे। एग्जाम से पंगा मत लेना, कटेगा तेरा ही। बीन देयर डन दैट एग्जैक्टली, सो पंगा मत लेना। 10 minutes is ideal target. Yeah. Anyone able to follow that? Anyone able to follow a timetable like this? Never. It's impossible to follow the timetable. It's impossible to follow. So what will happen on the exam day? It can become like you can be able to solve in 8 minutes or you can take 12 minutes. So this obviously this timer is going to change with every question, every set, timer is going to change. But if you practice more sets, for example, at CTK, we have covered almost 50 sets, more than that. Go through all the different type of DI sets. अंदर से आवाज आएगा. Listen to that. Within the first 3 minutes, you will get a call from inside whether to solve or not to solve. Yeah, उसकी सुनना, please. It's a request to you. आपको दिमाग बोलेगा कि बेटा तू नहीं कर पाएगा, छोड़ दे, तो उसकी सुनना. ना समझ से सर ये तो मुझे रोज आवाज आती है. I तो feel that every day जो आप बोल रहे हो. Okay, so break the paper into parts and follow that. Now, there are two strategies for DI logic. Strategy number 1 is I'll pick up set number 1. I'm picking up a game-based logic set. I'm picking up a logic-based DI, and I'm picking up a sitting arrangement. Yeah, these are the 3 sets I'm going to target, for example. Yeah, let's take it here. For example, I'll show you the syllabus. So this is my syllabus. From the DLR point of view, there will be 1 set of arrangement, 1 tournament, logic-based DI, Venn diagram, quant-based DI, games, new type, fill the blanks. This is a typical 8 set. Let's assume all of them is ek set. Yeah. So, yeah, Gautam, I don't know whether the exam is easy or tough. This is what I'm trying to say now. I plan to do games and logic-based DI and 1 sitting arrangement. Now, what if sitting arrangement is very tough in the exam? What if the game is very tough? Yeah, this is my main problem. I selected these 3 sets for the first 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. This was my strategy. But exam day, I could not solve this thing. I'm unable to solve this thing. So इधर से ना एक line निकलेगा पसीने का, and then you are gone. Fine. So this strategy have this problem. Second strategy, what I recommend, let's target 5 sets. 5 sets, but I will not solve every question that set. In every set, my target is 1 to 3 questions. Pick up any exam. Now, this strategy is only work if you're Amir Admi. If you are already good in DI logic, it can work for you. So what I'm doing is I'm going with the agenda to do 1 set. A question. Fine. Here, the target was 4. If you get 0 out of 4, now dil tutega wahan jaake you'll get a heartbreak. And this arrow will go from behind. Yeah. To avoid the strategy, I am going to try 5 sets. I'm chota aadmi hu, meko target hi 1 karna hai. My target is only 1 question per set. 1 becoming 0, I won't be hurt that much. 1 becoming 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 also. If the topic is easy, I might be able to attempt 4 by 4. So this is one very good strategy, but you have to practice this strategy. Yeah, both the strategy are good. Both the strategy are good. But the problem with this strategy is, what if the paper becomes tough? What if you're able to solve wrong this thing? You are gone. So 5, 5, 5, I'll attempt 1 question. My target is 1 question, but it can become 2, it can become 3, it can become 0, it can become 2, it can become 1, anything. Okay. So ignore that. You'll get the recording afterward. These are my favorite people. Class के बीच में आएंगे बोलेंगे क्या क्या मिस हो मुझे पूरा बताओ. मस्त लोग हैं तुम्हारे यहाँ पे. Okay, this is a DI logical set and target is for reserved category 5 question correct and for open category 7 or 8 question correct. आपको 2 set solve करना है Correct. Attempt. Attempt nahi, correct. Fine. You do it via from 2 sets, attempt to do two right, or attempt 4 with 2 to 3 questions per set. So this is your target setting. Yeah. पैनिक नहीं होना बस वहां जाके, पैनिक हो गया तो तुम गया फिर वहां पे. ठीक, I'll give my example. When I gave the CAT exam, I was totally stressed out. Why? I could only attempt 12 questions. Let's say out of 30, I could only do 14 questions. I was super sad, yaar. NIT का हो के क्या उखाड़ लिया? Like I was giving gali to myself कि यार तुमने not even 50% attempt. That day realized that because paper was very tough, my attempts were low. Okay. Anyway, from DI logic quant I'll talk about in some time. पहले एक बार DI का खत्म कर देते हैं. Okay, so attempt wise is totally your wish. You want to focus on, you are very good, I'll do 3-4 sets only. Otherwise, I can try 5 sets and do everything. So my target is 5 minutes per set, या par. Attempt, I wanted to finalize. What is going to be your attempt? Target, what is your target attempt? 14, 16, superb. So it's okay, no problem, don't worry. Chill. Okay, and if you have any preference, if this is a paper, 8 sets, which is going to be your preference? For example, if I talk about me, I love to solve tournament-based question. Arrangement-based question. These are my favorite topics. अगर कोई ये मिला quant logic-based DI, that is a quant-based DI, I can try. I will avoid a new type. I would avoid a new type because I don't know ये कितना easy होने वाला है. Logic-based DI, Venn diagram, some people are very comfortable. Games, fill in the blanks. But historically, if you say historically, if you ask me, now this is a statement which I'm giving, fill in the blanks is always easy. अगर ये दिखा तो छोड़ना मत. So but we don't know ना यार, new type है, पढ़ने के बाद will come to know कि कैसा है. Why to हाँ, like last year का web chat was easy. Caselet भी आ सकता है. Yes, you can get caselet in terms of a quant-based DI, in terms of a games. Caselet is included in this thing. Long type also, anything. So you have your already list. If you get a set which you have seen already, please try that. And don't target 4x4. Target 3 questions. It's okay. You don't need to do all 4x4. Pie chart आ सकता है. Anything can come here. Apart from this, anything. Set theory, Venn diagram, एक ही बात है. Set theory. So you have your type of question. If you get that, if don't wait for that. और मेरा favorite आया ही नहीं. Oh my God. ऐसा नहीं करने का वहां जाके. ठीक है. Please remember, if the paper is tough, cutoff will go down. This is the मूल मंत्र I'll give you. अगर एग्जाम में तुम्हारी फट रही है, ठीक है, तो आस्क योर साथ वाला, उसकी भी फट रही होगी, या टेंशन ही खत्म हो गया. इन इंडिया, यू नो, सबसे ज्यादा दुखी कौन है? The saddest person in India right now is the person जिसका neighbor is happy. Saddest person is a neighbor is happy. Fine. So if you on the exam day you can't ask anyone कि paper कैसा जा रहा है, easy जा रहा है, tough जा रहा है. So only thing you can do is let's assume सबकी फट रही है. And when सबकी फट रही है, इसका मतलब cut off is going down. इसका मतलब cut off have to go down. Yeah. मैं घर पे बैठा हूं तो भाई सब घर पे बैठे हैं, टेंशन ही खत्म हो गया. When the lockdown happened, I was sad. यार, my classes are down. I had 9 branches. All 9 branches got shuttered down. I was like heartbroken. But when I realized that everybody is shuttered down, फिर क्या टेंशन है? सबका कटा. Yeah. Your target, you already have practice. My target is in verbal, I'll do 20 questions. In DI logic, I will do, let's say, around 12 questions. In quant, I'm going to do around 16 questions. This is my average of the last 5 mocks. On the exam day, if the verbal section become very simple, it can go up to 22, 24 also. If it become very easy, it can go up to 18 also. Trust me, बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. It will be 2 क्वेश्चन ऊपर या 2 क्वेश्चन नीचे, या जितने भी क्वेश्चन आएगा. So I am assuming 30 question per set. It can become 34 also. It can become 25 also. We don't know. मैं 30 assume करके चल रहा हूँ. Is the sequence of all the sets is same. Sequence of all the sets same मतलब sequence can change with question ना. So this is my overall strategy which I'm going to follow. Okay. मेरे मन में एक नंबर बैठा हुआ है. पैनिक करोगे तेरा तो नुकसान होगा. Yes, yes, Karthik, I'm giving the exam. I give the exam every year. हाँ 30 क्वेश्चन आएगा तो चॉइसेस आर मोर, 25 में चॉइसेस लेस, तो एक दो क्वेश्चन ऊपर नीचे, 2 क्वेश्चन कम होगा अटेम्प्ट. ओके okay, this happened to me on quant day. My target was to do on every mock, on average I was scoring 20 by 30 question. Yeah, my attempt was always 66% with around 85% accuracy in my verbal section, in my quant section. On the exam day I could not do half of the paper, and that year I'm Ahmedabad ka cutoff was 7 questions correct out of 30. So that day I realized that boss, your attempt does not matter on the exam day. Your past performance does not matter on the exam day. All depend upon that set. That day realize engineering exams are very similar to CAT exam. You are never confident. Anybody ask me कि तू exam में pass हो क्या आएगा? भाई paper देखने के बाद पता लगेगा. After looking at the paper only I can tell कि whether I am prepared or not prepared. Yeah. So you're never confident, you're never underconfident. I know कि मेरे ये क्वेश्चन मैंने किए हैं, ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ गया तो मैं पास, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आया तो फर्स्ट फेल. I don't know about you. In my engineering, for example, there used to be 6 sets. I used to be only prepared for 5 sets. कि 5 का 4 हो जाएगा, 4 का 3 भी हो गया तो पास होके आएगा. Yeah. And I was able to attempt 4 out of 6. And my percentile was 66%. In engineering, I got 66% marks because मेरा attempt उतना होता था. कभी 80 को अटेम्प्ट किया ही नहीं तो मार्क्स किधर से आएगा. या सो बट दीज 4 क्वेश्चन आई वाज श्योर ऑफ कि ये मैं करके आऊंगा बस. तो सेम वे कैट एग्जाम इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. कैट एग्जाम इज लाइक बाली. योर कॉन्फिडेंस विल बी 50% डाउन ऑन द एग्जाम डे. आप लेके चलो. फाइन. नाउ आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट सम नेगेटिव साइड हियर. आप लेट्स अज्यूम योर कंप्यूटर विल रीस्टार्ट. Okay, I'll give you a simple example here. Last year we had a student, हमारा टॉपर, ये सारे थाने के, सारे कार्टून हमारे थाने के होते हैं, थाने ब्रांच. That guy का average mock score is 180. Just imagine a guy, average mock score is 180. On the exam day, his computer shut down and restart. How much time it will waste? 2 minutes? 3? 5? His score on the exam day was 105 marks. Can you believe a person scoring almost half the marks just because the computer restarted once? ठीक है. Right now sitting at home, you look like अरे कुछ भी बकवास कर रहा है. It happens. One small thing error on the exam day, one wrong DI का set on the exam day can take away your confidence. Fine. That's why what I recommend, let's assume कि एक चीज गड़बड़ होने वाली है. Like नितिन के साथ ऐसा हुआ. नितिन, मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, last to last year I was sitting on a revolving chair and one of the wheel of the chair was broken. ड्राइंग मेरी बहुत अच्छी है तो मालूम, ये चेयर है, लग रहा चेयर. Okay, one wheel was not there. I have to balance my chair for 3 hours का paper. I was requesting them कि मैडम चेयर चेंज कर दो, चेयर चेंज कर दो. उन्होंने मेरा चेयर चेंज नहीं किया. कैन यू बिलीव इट? दे डिड नॉट चेंज माय सीट. टॉयलेट सीट मत बोलो यार, मेरी ड्राइंग अच्छी थी यार, तुम लोग ऐसे मत बोलो यार. इसको हटा देते हैं, चेयर नॉर्मल चेयर कर देते हैं. एक्चुअली आई वांटेड टू मेक अ व्हील वाली चेयर. अब ठीक है, चेयर व्हील वाली चेयर. लास्ट ईयर माउस वाज नॉट वर्किंग. You reach the center late. एनीथिंग कैन हैपन, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन। बेबी चेयर, टॉली, अरे यार मेरी भावना को समझो यार, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द भावना। भावना की स्पेलिंग याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे को अभी। भावना, हाँ वी वाली भावना, सॉरी। मेरी चेरी टूट गई थी बे, तूने साले ऐसा क्या किया तेरी चेरी टूट गई साले। ए गंदी गंदी बातें यहाँ नहीं करने का यार। कंप्यूटर सेंटर, टीसीएस सेंटर, every center is good. See yaar, it's very naturally normal, it's very humanly possible that out of 30 computers, one computer is faulty. Agree or not agree? Yes, one computer faulty होता है, और वही कंप्यूटर तेरे को मिल गया तो लग गई। अपनी लैब को देख लो ना यार, इन योर कंप्यूटर लैब, इन योर कॉलेज कंप्यूटर लैब, out of 50 computers, at least 10 computers are behaving improperly at any point of time. And at these centers, there will be what they are paid per computer. So what they do, they try to make all the computer active. कि तो लैग भी कर रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, स्टार्ट करके दे दो, पैसा तो आएगा इसके नाम पे। Are you getting me? So all this, not talking about TCS in general, in every center where the exam is being conducted, the examination hall is paid per seat, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, whatever the amount of money they are paid. या तो ये प्रॉब्लम के लिए आप लेके चलो, मेरे 5 मिनट वेस्ट होने वाले इन वर्बल सेक्शन और इन क्वांट सेक्शन और इन डीएलए सेक्शन। वो होता ना, प्रिपेयर फॉर द बेस्ट एक्सपेक्ट द वर्स्ट, नहीं, क्या होता है, एक्सपेक्ट द बेस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर द वर्स्ट। लेट्स, हाँ मैंने रॉन्ग क्लिक किया, कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट हो गया, अरे मैंने पैर मारा था, आई हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ हिटिंग द यूजिंग माय लेग्स, कांट बी, आई कांट सिट बेसिकली, on moving here and there. So मैंने पैर मारा, जैसे मैंने अभी मारा गलती से, मैंने पैर मारा and that computer restarted. So my computer was so bad that if you touch the computer, it will start again. It happened 2-3 years ago. So my computer started 2-3 times. अब मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, अपना पीसी लेके जाएंगे, ठीक है। हाँ, सो सेंसिटिव, क्या करें, उसकी वायर कुछ होगा ना, वायर का इशू होगा। आर के कंट्रोल योर इमोशन, तो एनीथिंग हैपन, लेट्स बी प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट कि मेरा 5 मिनट वेस्ट होने वाला है। The moment you do that, now this 180 will become 160, if it will not become 105. Okay, exactly, parcel lock हो गया था, exactly, all these things happens. So let's move to the quant section now. So quant में all the section, the main 2 areas of quant is arithmetic, modern maths, geometry numbers, and time, speed, distance, time and work, PNC probability. Okay, historically, time and work, time, speed, distance, time and work, PNC question is always tough historically. Maybe this time might be easy, but historically these topics are always tough. Okay, time consuming, if not tough, time consuming. For the CAT exam is always tough. For the SNAP and MET exam is always time consuming. या अगर आप छोड़ने का प्लान कर रहे हो, सिर्फ रिकॉर्डिंग देख के जाओ, जस्ट गो थ्रू ऑल द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ ऑल द लेक्चर्स, या जस्ट गो थ्रू देम। इजी क्वेश्चन आ गया तो करेंगे, भारी क्वेश्चन आ गया तो छोड़ देंगे। ओके, रोहन, आई विल आंसर योर क्वेश्चन नाउ। व्हाट आर द, रोहन बेचारा एक ही मांग रहा है चीज, तुम बस मुझे इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक बता दो, मैं वो करके जाऊंगा। सो आई विल गिव यू दैट टॉपिक। Okay, so this is the complete list of the quant lecture. You can call us on any of these numbers given below. Sorry, यार वो आदत है ना बोलने की, वो नंबर देखते मेरे को एक ही चीज दिखती है, join our program. That was a joke, by the way. Okay, so let's talk about the important part. Set theory, 1 question every year, 1 question on set theory. Ratios, 2 question every year. And let's talk about the level of difficulty also. So set theory, I love this question topic. ठीक है, ratios बड़ा वाला love, super love, 2 question every year. APGP, another love story, 1 question. Yeah, percentages always good, 2 question. Trigonometry, conjugometry, my favorite topic, 1 question. See, what do you mean by a favorite topic, yaar? If you get the question, if you obviously will get a topic, tough topic to nahi aayega. But I'm giving the importance of everything. Now you decide kya karna hai, kya nahi karna hai. सर अब हमारी औकात ही नहीं है इतना प्यार करने का. क्वेश्चन को पता है, दैट डिपेंड द क्वेश्चन. आई तो लव, I love her, but what she loves me back or not, I don't know that part. Profit and loss is where the problem starts. 2 question every year, 1 to 2 question on profit and loss, जिसमें एक क्वेश्चन साला समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि बोल क्या रहा है, कहना क्या चाहते हो टाइप्स. Function is doable. I don't know why people hate it here. Function is always 2 question. Inequality modulus 1 question. Logs every year 2 questions. Area volume 1 to 2 question. 1 to 2 question. Equation 1 question. Mixtures 1 question. Time speed distance 1. Time and work 1. Numbers 2 to 3 questions. Okay. If I add PNC here, another PNC 1 to 2 question. This is a complete syllabus. Now look at the chat here. Someone is saying मेरा ये easy है. Shruti, यार APGP आप छोड़ नहीं सकते यार. APGP please, पाप लगेगा. Go through all the formulas of APGP बस. These are all easy topic. Examiner को पता है कि public छोड़ के जाता है. So they always give a easy doable question out of that. ये आप छोड़ नहीं सकते. The topics I am underlining, इनमें से doable question आता है हमेशा. Maximum minima अकेला नहीं आएगा. Maximum minimum will come in inequality or will come in functions. So Akshay, maximum minima is a part of either something or something. हाँ, polynomial छोड़ दो, polygons छोड़ दो, सिर्फ go through the videos. जो भी टॉपिक आप छोड़ने का प्लान कर रहे हो उसका एक बार वीडियो देख लो. लास्ट 1 week, lock yourself in the room, go through all the videos. हाँ, बेसिक आएगा तो करेंगे. बेसिक क्वेश्चन will be there. If I look at the quant का पेपर, easy, medium, difficult. I'm not talking about the mocks. If there's suppose 30 question on the exam day, now anyone who has given the CAT exam last year, tell me that. Say yes or no if that was there. Easy question will be there. At least 6 to 8 question are easy. 6 to 8 question are, you will be surprised कि CAT में कैसे आ गया. Every year. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone say yes. Yeah. Another 4 to 6 to 8 question which are nonsense. कि मैं क्यों आया? This is like ये कैसे आ गया? This is like आज मैं क्यों आया? And then remaining question are medium. 14 to 12 questions are medium question. This is a typical CAT pattern for the last 5 years I've seen. I'm not saying the question based on my this thing. मैं MCBC नहीं करने का राहुल रोहित. एग्जाम टाइम पे कुछ नहीं करने का. बाहर आके जो करना है करना. Okay. This is a typical pattern. So suppose you're from the reserved category, yaar, even if you focus only on this part, you can clear the cutoff, yaar. इस पे focus किया, थोड़ा बहुत ये कर लिया, pass. How to find easy question? Okay, there's a magic button given on the exam day. Vipul, देखना, वहां जाके ढूंढना, mock में भी होता है, magic button. That button is called next का button. Next, 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 next करते जा, question मिलता जाएगा. And with this, we'll talk about the strategy part. Now, quant have got 2 strategies. Strategy number 1 for the quant section is I'll run through the paper. I'll pick up all the easy question. Yeah. In first 0 to 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes, I'll run through the paper. I'll find all the easy question. And then while coming back from minute 25 to 40, I'll do all the high level and the medium level question. Easy to medium, I can solve. This is one good strategy. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 18 minutes, that all depend upon you. अब इसकी speed निकालो. Ajan, yes. Okay, this is strategy number 1. Okay. Strategy number 2 is let's break the paper into parts. What is your attempt? In verbal, what is your attempt? In quant, what is your attempt? 10, 12, 15, 20, 15, 20, 12, 18, 18, 6. 12, 18. So everybody, so if I take an average of all you people, average coming up to be around 12. 15 भी आ रहा है काफी लोग का, but let's keep it 12 suppose. I'm taking average of everyone. So my attempt is 12. Now, if I'm going to attempt 12 question, I already have decided this 12 can become 18 also. 12 not become 18, 12 can become 14, 12 can become 10 on the exam day. Yeah. So let's divide my paper into parts. So let's do the mapping for the quant section. 0 to first 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, last 10 minutes. Yeah. First 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, and last 10 minutes. So I will reach the end point for 40 minutes. My target is to touch 5 questions. Okay, but if the paper becomes very tough, then यहाँ पे आके confidence टूटना start हो जाता है. Fine, I'll give you my foolproof strategy. After trying hitting on the exam every year, this is my strategy. I always break the CAT ka paper into either 2 parts or 4 parts, depending on your choice. Either 4 parts or 2 parts or 3 parts. Totally your wish. Let's keep it 4 parts. Suppose आप 2 कर सकते हो, 3 part कर सकते हो. Totally wish. Scan करने का time नहीं है. Next खेलने का time नहीं है. I have no time for that. For me, 0 to 10 minutes is my first section. 11 to 20 minutes is my second section. 21 to 30 minutes is my third section. 31 to 40 minutes is my fourth section. I have divided into 4 parts. Round 1 to 3 नहीं खेलने का. यार आने जाने में जो time waste होगा, I don't want to waste my time. In the first 10 minutes, suppose number of questions are 30, I have to look, attempt nahi, look at 8 questions. 8, 7, 7. Look. Okay. Now, if the paper is very simple, I may be able to solve 5 questions out of that. If paper is very tough, I might be able to attempt 3 questions out of that. Don't need to worry about my attempt. My attempt will automatically get adjusted to the level of difficulty. A lot of people say, if the paper is tough, do that. Paper easy, do that. अरे साला जब मैं exam दे रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं चलता कि paper easy है कि tough है. I don't know about you, but while giving the exam, paper is always tough. Yeah, while giving the exam, paper is always tough. So I have to look at 8 questions. My attempt will automatically get adjusted to my speed. I am not going with my any expectation. My expectation is very simple. Look at 8 questions. Exactly. After looking at the solution, everything is easy. Now, within this 10 minutes, आपको जो करना है करो. Within this 10 minutes, तुम्हें जो करना है करो. You want to pick up easy question first. You want to pick up tough question afterward, or you want to go topic wise. A lot of people go topic wise. Anyone here doing topic wise? Anyone here doing topic wise? पहले ज्योमेट्री करेंगे, फिर नंबर ढूंढेंगे. अरे बर्बाद हो जाओगे भैया. अगर पेपर में वो टफ आ गया तो तुम गए. So what you can do, if you want to do that, do it in 10 minutes. Within first 10 minutes, I'll do my favorite topic first. Favorite topics. बर्बाद तो वैसे भी हमेशा हो, right? So are you okay with the strategy? Break up into parts. 3 parts, 4 parts. And my target is to try to do 8 questions, 7 questions, 7 questions. Super. So there are 3 main strategies now. Strategy number 1, easy question first, then medium, then difficult. Yeah. Strategy number 2, topic wise. पहले geometry कर लो, then I'll do arithmetic, then I'll do modern maths. But what if geometry become tough? तो बुच वहां जाके सीधा. Okay, mark my words. On the exam day, first question you're not able to solve, second question not able to solve, third question not able to solve, fourth question not able to solve, तो तुम गए. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन तक आने आंखों में आंसू आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. पसीना नहीं तो आंखों से आएगा पसीना, आंखों में आंसू. Yeah. So best way out is I have to look at 8 questions. Look. पेपर टफ है, अटेम्प्ट अपने आप कम हो जाएगा. तुझे किस बात की टेंशन? सबका कटेगा ना. Whenever stock market goes down, I'm not scared anymore. Yeah, because सबका कटेगा. अब तो आदत सी हो गई है। एग्जैक्टली सिद्धेश। रेशो ऑफ ईएमडी। नहीं ऐसा सर्वेश, इजी क्वेश्चन, वन इजी क्वेश्चन, सर्वेश इज वन इजी क्वेश्चन, 14 डिफिकल्ट 14, इतना रेशो कभी नहीं हुआ, आज तक नहीं हुआ। या व्हाट कैन हैपन इज यू, तुम्हारा फेवरेट टॉपिक इजी नहीं आया, दैट यू कैन से द टॉपिक यू मॉक में एक्सपेरिमेंट किया यार, मॉक में तो ऑब्वियसली आई हैव टोल्ड यू, आई हैव मेड द मॉक्स, आई हैव डिजाइन द मॉक्स इन सच अ वे दैट टू मेक यू अनकंफर्टेबल। मॉक में तो रोज आता है एग्जैक्टली, बट दिस इज एक्चुअल कैट पेपर। Actual CAT paper on the exam day is 8, 14, 6. That's a typical trend. Or you make it 30, make it 8. I would love to quote Dhoni, MS Dhoni का अगर सीन अगर किसी को याद हो, ट्रेन वाला सीन, इजी बॉल छोड़ना मत एंड बाउंसर और द डिफिकल्ट बॉल छूना मत। दोनों में सिर्फ एक वर्ड का फर्क है, छोड़ना मत और छूना मत। बाउंसर्स को डक करो बस। दिस इज लाइफ, दिस इज एग्जाम ऑल्सो। जब फेवरेट टॉपिक घटिया आता है तो कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन जाता है। एग्जैक्टली व्हाई? बिकॉज यू प्लेइंग ऑन दैट, यू प्लेइंग ऑन योर फेवरेट टॉपिक्स, डोंट डू दैट। इफ एक्स बिकम इजी, वाई विल बिकम टफ। कैट 2018 का पेपर मेड बाय IIM कैलकाटा, क्वांट वाज टफ, सॉरी क्वांट में अर्थमेटिक वाज टफ। अर्थमेटिक इज एवरीबॉडीज फेवरेट, या एंड IIM कैलकाटा हिट इट वेयर इट हर्ट द मोस्ट, क्योंकि हमारा दिल अर्थमेटिक के पास है। On the other hand, modern maths was easy, very easy. 2019, IIM Kozhikode made the paper. Arithmetic was easy and modern maths were difficult. And look at the people came out of the exam saying that और paper बहुत tough था, paper बहुत tough था. Why? Because arithmetic was tough. Here people are saying अरे paper बहुत easy, paper बहुत easy. Why? Because arithmetic was easy. If this is tough, this have to be easy. I still remember the people who join us again every year ना, वो बोलते हैं सर मॉडर्न मैथ्स मैं करके नहीं गया था 10 क्वेश्चन, अर्थमेटिक आई कुड नॉट सॉल्व, ज्योमेट्री मैं करके नहीं गया था। तो सर तो तूने किया क्या एग्जाम पे? सर तभी तो मैं आया हूं वापस कुछ किया ही नहीं मैंने क्वांट में। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स द कट ऑफ द क्वांट सेक्शन इज लो, दैट्स व्हाई द कट ऑफ, लुक एट द कट ऑफ हियर यार, क्या चल रहा है यार, 5 क्वेश्चन, 8 क्वेश्चन, व्हाट नॉनसेंस इज गोइंग ऑन, लुक एट हियर यार, the cutoff is low, simple. If the paper is tough, like SAIL, yeah, I normally compare with SAIL. Warren Buffett used to compare that. When the sale is going on, people rush toward the mall, especially girls. Yeah. Boys also. Me, I love sales. मैं तो बिना सेल के अंदर जाता ही नहीं हूँ। मैं तो पहले पूछता हूँ सेल है तो मैं अंदर आएगा, नहीं तो मैं जाएगा ही नहीं अंदर। I buy brands, no doubt, but on sale. Okay. Now, if the paper becomes very tough, if the paper becomes very difficult, there are two options: either to feel sad and lose the race, or paper में fail लगा आपके सामने, or second part is, the best part is you are able to clear the cutoff with low attempts. Look at that way, यार, the perception changes. You feel sad, you out of race, मर गए, बर्बाद हो गए. Other way around, बहुत कम attempt करके तुम्हारी cutoff clear हो रहा है. Are you getting point? If the paper become tough, cutoff will go low. Simple. Paper become easy, cutoff go high. Ulta. Fine. So what I'm saying is we are keeping our benchmark number 8 attempts or 10 attempts or 12 attempts. or 14 attempt or 18 attempt, 20 attempt, whatever is your number of attempt you want to target. On the exam day, I am already aware it will be plus or minus 2. It cannot be plus or minus 10. Yeah. If it will become plus 10 or minus 10, don't worry. Everybody will see thing. We can play Jugaad, sir. Their shortcut, you can solve in 18 and solve the pattern. Yes, you can do that. If you have a Jugaad, try that. We are able to remove 2 options. Out of 4 options, you are able to remove 2 options. If you are able to remove 2 options, Jai Mata Di, mark karo. I am with you, mark karo. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. If you are down to the last 2 options, verbal नहीं, quant में. I'm talking about quant. Do mark the answer. अगर तू fail हो गया, तो I'll take the responsibility. I will say sorry to you. और मैं क्या बोलूंगा? Sorry बोल दूंगा बस मैं. Sorry मैं तो बोल दूंगा. वो anyway I'm going to say that. Gautam, I've shown you this now. I've shown the cutoff here. So this is going to be our final cutoff. For quant, and for DLR. This is your benchmark number. Negative margin is the problem. That's why don't over attempt. मैं बार बार वही बोल रहा है. Do not over attempt. Do not over attempt. Yeah, do not over attempt. Okay, overall का ना मैंने वो बनाया था यार चार्ट. 1 minute. This is a chart for the oral attempts. Now this is an attempt which I made assuming 70% accuracy. Okay, now you target what is your target percentile, 70 percentile, 80 percentile. According to that, 2 ways. अभी बेटा टारगेट नहीं कर सकते. अभी तुम्हारा जो आ रहा है उस हिसाब से देख लो कितना आ रहा है. सपोज माय टारगेट इज 90 percentile. So this is my ideal attempt. 40 attempt is 90 percentile. Yeah, 40 attempt is 90 percentile. So this is your mota benchmark number, attempts point of view say. 75 percentile, 85 percentile, 90, 99, 60 attempts, 50 attempts, 40 attempt, 35 attempt, 30 attempts. With accuracy 70%. यार ये ना मैंने वो कैलकुलेटर अपलोड किया था. Go to cetking.com/calculator. cetking.com/calculator. उसमें ना अपना you put in your values and it will tell you the number of attempts. You have to put your accuracy. It will tell you number of attempts. वो एक बार अपने attempts check कर लो कितना होना चाहिए. But next 5 marks पे लेके जाओ यार. ये ना this is a good number to look at 1 month, 2 month down the line. 1 week to the CAT exam, we have to play on what you are getting today. So last 5 mock score, whatever score you are getting, this table you have to fill mock 1, mock 2, mock 3, mock 4, mock 5, verbal section, DILR section, quant section, and overall. Look at your attempt and correct. Attempt correct, attempt correct, attempt correct, attempt correct for all the exams. ये table भर दो. This is the best strategy you can get. Ajan, okay, we'll do that. Okay, so my attempt, my correct. I did 20 question, got 15 right. Next mock I did 25, I got 18 right. Next mock I did 30, I got 12 right. So if you're able to fill this chart, this average score is going to be your exam day strategy. Plus minus 2, this will give you the range. Everything is here, yaar. You're getting a range. If the let's complete this thing. Next mock may I got 14. Next mock may I got 17. Now my highest score is 18. And the lowest score is 12. So I got my range. and you will be surprised to know even the stock market do the same thing. ठीक है, मेरे को ना बहुत डाउट आता है यार ये साला इतना डेटा निकालते कहाँ से कि ये इसका रेजिस्टेंस लेवल ये है. In stock market, this is called the resistance, upper and lower. I was like scientific, कुछ तो scientific होगा इसमें, हाई फाई कुछ हाई फाई नहीं है. That is the highest a stock have been to and the lowest a stock have been to. That's it. Unless it is Bajaj Finance का शेयर, जो बहुत दुख हुआ यार, बजाज फाइनेंस ने बहुत मारी यार. I sold Bajaj Finance का शेयर at 6,000 rupees. Today it is touching 9,000. जल गई मेरी. So find out your range, lowest, highest. Why theta is not affected percentile? Because theta have no negative marking. So percentile will not be affected. Right. Finalize this strategy. Bajaj Finance, sorry, Bajaj Finserv. Okay. Superb. चलेगा. तो this is going to be a final strategy for the exam. एक बार एक strategy formulate कर लो and हम उसको change नहीं करेंगे. तो अभी आप अग्नि पे हाथ रख के कसम खाओ. Make this table and I'm going to stick to this table. ये आपको टेबल भरना है बस. So अग्नि है यहाँ पे. अग्नि मिलेगा यहाँ पे. कैंडल मिल गई. आई लव दिस सॉफ्टवेयर, सब है इसके पास. ये हमारी अग्नि है. अग्नि पे साक्षी माल के कसम खाओ कि और अटेम्प्ट नहीं करेंगे हम. देयर आर पीपल यार, my every mock in verbal section, suppose my attempt is 18, 17, 20, 22. So you have a range. 18 to 22 is my average attempt. एग्जाम में जाके पब्लिक का करेगा 25 अटेम्प्ट, 28 अटेम्प्ट. आज साला हम छोड़ के नहीं आएंगे या आज हम पेल के आएंगे एग्जाम को. बेटा वो तेरी लगेगी. वो वेन थी ना कि आज तू नहीं तो मैं नहीं, तो बेटा तेरा ही कटेगा, उसका नहीं कटने वाला है. And this is what happened. This is where people get impressed. Suppose verbal may I show you this chart. 6 question attempt. In verbal section, 6 question attempt is 75 percentile, but 14 question correct, you can take 99. Oh my God. Then why I'm doing 6 or 10 question? I should do this. Like अभी भी public ने सोचा होगा, my accuracy is 50%. So what if I attempt all 30 questions with 50% accuracy? मेरा 99. Oh my God, I am God. ये होता है. और ये बच्चा जो बेचारा मॉक में 75-80 percentile टच कर रहा था because of his low attempt, on the exam day because of over attempt he will screw his life. And instead of 80 percentile where he wanted to make it 99, he got 55 percentile. फिर बाहर आके सर ये मेरा स्कोर है ही नहीं, कैट वाले ने धोखा दिया है, मेरे साथ धोखा हुआ है. बेटा तेरे साथ धोखा नहीं हुआ, तूने धोखा दिया अपने आप को. So your attempt have to be based on what you have performed in the mocks. Or attempt नहीं करने का, please. That's my request to you. Do not over attempt, especially in the verbal section, because verbal में you get carried away. मुझे लग रहा है कि आंसर A है, बस तो गया वहीं पर. ओके तो ये पागल हो गया मेरा आईपैड. 29th की रात को विल हैव अ पार्टी. एक हफ्ता जान लगा दो यार, एक हफ्ता जान लगा दो. वी आर इंडियन स्टूडेंट, हम लोग साला पढ़ते ही एंड में. ओके टीटा क्वेश्चन ऑब्वियसली टू मार्क. टीटा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके मार्क करके आंसर मार्क करके आना, बार मत करके आना. फाइन. My expectation from CAT 2020 is very simple. It's an average of the last 3 years ka paper. There will be some easy question, there will be some medium question, and you are done. Okay. Chalega. I'll be making a few more videos and upload on the CAT exam. For example, I want to see what all can go wrong on the exam day. Okay, let's do that here. What can go wrong on the exam day? What all can go wrong? 5 minutes we'll just discuss that. One bad feeling, I know. One thing that can go wrong is DI का set wrong. Verbal में problem नहीं आती है. Verbal में you never get that problem. Why? Because verbal में everything is right on the exam day. One DI set wrong and you are gone. Beautiful girl sitting next to you, the advantage यार. कौन था ये? निखिल? कमीना इंसान? Okay, you reaching the center late is one issue. ठीक है, you got the center late. Feeling hungry, Jay, yes, nature call or feeling hungry. Okay, CAT exam में you can take a, you can get up for the water break. I think water break is allowed. मैं तो लिया था. Okay, this is something you can do यार. मैं क्या करता हूँ? I tell यार I can't for you. You are giving the exam. You करने का सवाल है. I am going there just to see the paper. So what I tell them, sir, मेरे को diabetes का issue है. Yeah, very seriously I tell them, so I have a diabetes issue. I have to take a leak. I have to take a break in between. तो वो बोले ठीक है जाना. तो बस मस्त ब्रेक मारता हूँ मैं. I get up from my seat twice. जाके घूम के सबको हेलो करके हाय करके मस्त बैठे. I do that. So you don't have time to waste on that. But वैसे भी अगर DI में कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हो तो कैंसर ज्यादा हो गया बेटा. कैंसर इतना मत फेंकना. कैंसर. See, when you're nervous, you're having a nervous breakdown. You can take a break ना. पहले बोल दो कि मेरे को डायबिटीज है, मैं ब्रेक लूंगा एक. यार में बहुत टाइम मिलता तुम्हें. कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ. Yes. Hungry and sleepy is a major issue. For the next 1 week, make your timetable in such a way that you are active, studying, or giving a mock at the time of the exam. Next big thing is the number of questions. यार जितना मर्जी बोल लो कि क्वेश्चन से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, फर्क पड़ता है. ऑन दैट डे नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन तुम्हारी स्ट्रैटेजी डिसाइड करेगा. फाइन, बट वी हैव प्रैक्टिस दैट मेनी मॉक्स दैट इट डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस टू मी. आपका 8:30 का बैच है ना एग्जाम में, फट से एक वीडियो बना देना 12. यस 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 प्रतीक, द मोमेंट माय एग्जाम गेट ओवर आई मेक अ वीडियो. In fact, if you have any idea, let me know how can I carry my mobile into the room so that I can go live from the room only. Ah, guys, we are sitting right now in the CAT center and talking about this. Engineers days की याद आ गई. Exactly. नहीं, बाहर निकलने के बाद तो करना ही है. बाहर निकल के बाद go live and talk about everything. So number of questions, obviously, वो आ गया. Okay. नहीं चीटिंग आइडियाज नहीं है. चीटिंग आइडिया वही है. मेरे लिए सिंपल आइडिया. If out of the 4 options, 2 options if you can remove, mark the answer. DI, not DI. Only quant you can do that. Even verbal में don't try that. और क्या क्या रॉन्ग हो सकता है यार? नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. एक्स की याद आ गई. हाँ यार प्लीज इसकी जैसे यार टाइम पास मत करो यार. एक्स की याद तो बिल्कुल मत दिलाओ. कंप्यूटर कैन रॉन्ग गो रॉन्ग. सीट कैन गो रॉन्ग. बाजू वाले को खांसी हो रहा है. नेबर इज कफिंग or having fever. Unable to solve first 5 questions. Unable to solve 5 questions. Unable to solve, and then you are gone. So easy way out is let's divide our preparation into 10 parts. My CAT have 10 sections. Verbal 3 sections for the first 40 minutes. DI logic 4 sets. And then quant का 3-4 sets. मैं assume करके चल रहा हूँ that one of the sets will be a problem. One DI set में I'll get the issue, time waste हो गया. Like someone said, I think one of the girls said that she in first 4 minutes, 5 minutes she decide कि वो set करना कि नहीं करना, 2 to 3 minutes. What if after 6 minutes you came to know this set is very tough, I can't solve. मैं assume करके चल रहा हूँ, 2 जगह पे गड़बड़ आएगा. So that my average mock score, which was 100, can come down to 80, will not come down to 50. Fine. And admit card printout लेके जाते लोग. This happened to me every year. This happened to me Sunday morning, I'm looking for where to find, get a printout of admit card. Every year I do that. So on Saturday, I'll make a video on that. Okay, please take a printout of your admit card. Okay, अभी करवा लो, पहले निकाल लो. Photo match होगा नहीं होगा, that is not important of. Exactly, if the DI section goes bad, your verbal section will be affected because of that, obviously. Ajan, thank you for that. Neighbor is reading loudly, वो तो आप उनको कह सकते हो. Hand mask, sanitizers, you have to carry all these things. नहीं, मास्क थोड़ा तो नीचे ला सकते हो. अरे मास्क आदत नहीं होगा यार हम लोग को. I, frankly speaking, I have no habits of wearing a mask for a long time. Yeah, whenever see I'm in not in the public area, I move the mask down. Compulsory नहीं है. Gloves you can carry. Mask is, you have to get used to that. The next 5 mocks, wear your mask. You have to get used to that. Trust me यार, ये छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, but फर्क पड़ता है उससे. Gloves is compulsory. अब चेक कर लो यार. Gloves नहीं, mandatory नहीं बोला. Carry your own gloves बोला उन्होंने. अगर आपको नहीं, on the when you are giving the exam, you don't need to wear gloves. But mask का आदत डालना होगा. That's a good thing. Mask नीचे नहीं कर सकते यार. So आपने नीचे कर दिया मास्क, उन्होंने क्या कंप्लेंट किया, प्लीज मास्क शुड नॉट बी डाउन. ये मास्क लग रहा है? नहीं मास्क लग रहा है. मास्क दिस COVID test is not important. I'll be going live from the center. Yes. I'll be going live from the center. Yes. People, you have to talk to them beforehand. Specs में फॉग्स आता है यार. I know that. मेरे को भी अभी नया specs लगा तो even I've seen the same thing. So ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. Please take them for granted कि होने वाला है. उधर जाके और साला मेरे साथ ये क्या हो गया, मेरा दिल टूट गया. दिल किधर होता है? दिल हो टूट गया नहीं. अभी से लेके चलो. एसी नहीं चल रहा. यस, एसी इज ऑन या एसी इज नॉट ऑन, both ways. Like for me, AC is not on is a suicidal for me. For me, I have become so bad that I cannot survive without AC. हाँ दीपांकर, फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, but people get sad on that day. अब पहले लेके जाओ कि कुछ गड़बड़ होगी तो I have no problem. हाँ दिल्ली वालों को माफ है यार, लेकिन बॉम्बे वाले कहाँ जाएं? हमें तो एसी चाहिए. All right, superb. So these are things you have to take care of. So basically prepare for the worst, but of course expect the best. And सब best yoga. And my closing statement is very simple. चंद्रमुखी हो या पारो, की फर्क पैंदा है यारो. वर्स्ट केस क्या आएगा यार? कैट में स्कोर कम आएगा ना. लंबी लंबी सांसें लो. एग्जैक्टली व्हाट विल हैपन? First of all, the result will be out of the CAT exam on around January 10th. Why you are worried about that thing today? Why you screwing up your next 1 week of preparation? Why you screwing up your exam day ka thing? CAT के बाद you have enough time to worry about your CAT score. अभी मत लो. या अभी मत लो उसकी टेंशन. CAT के बाद we have the other exam as well. SNAP, NMET, CMET, all the exams are there. Yeah, we look at that after the CAT exam. अभी नहीं. अगला 1 हफ्ता I want to focus on this thing. पीपीटी भेज देना. अरे ये याद रहेगा. So लेक्चर साला खत्म होता नहीं. पब्लिक पीपीटी भेज देना. पीपीटी प्लीज रिपीट. पीपीटी भेज देना. मुंबई स्टूडेंट्स आर अलाउड टू ट्रेवल बाय ट्रेन. ये अनाउंस हो गया. मैं कल उसका वीडियो तैयार कर दूंगा. सो ऑल द बेस्ट. गो एंड रॉक. हम लोग सब साथ में. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. पेपर इजी आ गया, वी आर हैप्पी. पेपर टफ आ गया, नो प्रॉब्लम. पेपर टफ आ गया, कट ऑफ नीचे जाएगा, टेंशन ही खत्म है. तेरा कट ले दे, मैं अच्छा करके आऊंगा. ओके, जय माता दी. ऑल द बेस्ट. लेट्स रॉक. प्लीज रिपीट. और क्या, कैट जाएगा, दूसरा आएगा. बिग डील. ऑल द बेस्ट.